Hello, this is imransabuj. Welcome you all to watching this video. Today just I'm going to share some experiences. How could you select a perfect gas generator engine oil? Gas generator are used in Bangladesh and around the world in various kinds of factories and mills, just like garments, textile, spinnings, jute, and even in power plant to produce more power to achieve the production, more production. So basically in Bangladesh and around the world, there are common parameters were set by the gas generator oil company and technical and gas generator engine oil company. So at first you will go through the product manual of your gas generator and lubrication check, find the lubrication chapter, open up the lubrication chapter and take the technical data sheet of your gas generator engine oil which you are going to purchase. Cross check these two technical data sheet as a basic some parameters which was mentioned in this job boards. Cross check this. SAE is it 40? I'm just telling you the very general parameters. Is cross check, is it SAE Society of Automotive Engine 40? Echo. Cross check this too. Please check the sulfate test. Is it 0.50 or 1.00? Please cross check. Please cross check the total base number. Both your technical data sheet. Please cross check the 10 total means which elaborations is total acid number. Cross check these two things. And now the questions has been arrived. What is the basic drain time? If your gas generator engine oil is mineral base formulated, so it is general drain time is 1200 hours to 1500 hours. Exception, I'm just not mention the exception, but it is the general basic general drain time. Please follow these 3 or 4 things. Hope we will find a perfect gas generator lubricating well for your gas generator. Thank you to watching this video.